Hi, I'm Mark Cedar. I'm the chef instructor here at Polytech. I've been a chef in industry for approximately 25 years, pretty much evenly split between fine dining restaurants, catering, and country clubs. Culinary 1, we do a curriculum that's based on fundamentals. Right now, my Culinary 1 students have just finished knife cuts, working with the equipment, getting to know the equipment, and now they're moving on to the mother sauces, the 5 mother sauces. Last week we did hollandaise. This week we're working on velouté and bechamel. Also, they'll be doing some front of the house work, practicing as waiter and waitressing, but pretty much Culinary 1 is all about learning the fundamentals in the kitchen. Year 2 students move on. They learn more about butchering skills. So if Culinary 1, you're learning how to break down a chicken, Culinary 2, you're learning how to use all the parts of the chicken. Different sauces, different preparation methods, whether it be saute, deep fry, steam, or something new to the industry like sous vide.
My name is Shelby. I'm a student at Culinary and Baking Arts in Polytech. I work for a cassava flour company doing recipe testing, and I work at Sweet Melissa Patisserie in Lebanon. And this class has really taught me a lot about the culinary industry and what to expect as I go into the real world. Being able to work in such a big and industrial kitchen has really showed me a lot.
So Culinary 2, you do have a lot more management skills, so you do things like marketing, a lot more costing. So you build upon culinary math that was in year 1. We have a great apprenticeship program here. A lot of my students are in industry already, at least half of them have a job, if not through the apprenticeship, through their own.
Hi, my name is Anthony and I completed the apprenticeship program at Chesapeake Bay in Redwoods. I recommend other people to do so because I was able to take away things and learn from true professionals.
After graduation, I was hoping to start my own bakery. So that's kind of stemmed from what I've learned here.